Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you are looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is JUnit and its benefits. JUnit is a simple open source framework to write and run repeatable tests. It's an instance of the XUnit architecture for unit testing frameworks. JUnit, originally written by Eric Gama and Kent Beck, has been important in the evolution of test-driven development. Test-driven development means you write the test cases and then you write the business logic code. Benefits: unit testing belongs to a single unit of code. You have a class and a lot of methods are there, and individual methods you want to test using JUnit test cases. JUnit helps us to code and test both during the development. You can code and you can test the code that you have written during the development. JUnit ensures that modification in the code will not break your system without your knowledge. So you build confidence in the development team if you have more JUnit test cases. JUnit helps to test legacy code automatically, and it is less time consuming. Say for example, you have written an application 2 years before and now you want to test it. If you have written JUnit test cases already, it is less time consuming and it is automatic. If you want to do the same thing in manual, it takes a lot of time to test it. So I have a class called factorial and I have a method called cal, and all the combinations I want to test. So I have written a test factorial class which executes all the possibilities. For example, what is the value for 0? Factorial for 0. What is the factorial for 1? Okay, and if I pass negative value, what is the result? I'm expecting an exception. And if I pass some value that is greater than 12, what is the result? Okay, so this is what this is how I'm trying to test this method. Let's run this method. Let's see how exactly it's going to work. So I'm executing the JUnit test cases now. So all the methods have passed. Hope this video about JUnit is useful. Thank you and all the best.